Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, today we will see how to change the apps icon. So here you can see the apps icon is default. So guys, let's run this app. So after this we will see the icons. So on the project has been run, and that you can see this app icon. So we will change it. So for this you have to go this website. You have to text it on your Google or any browser, Chrome browser, yeah, or any browser. So click on image, and then you can select any image that you want. So guys, I will select this one, WhatsApp. So you can choose anything, whatever you want. I have said already, and you can say here you can change padding from here. Okay, so this is the normal things. Okay, you can do, and you can say change the background also, and here you can change shape as well. As I will keep it square. Okay, so here you have to download this icon. Let's wait for a moment until he download. So you can see it has been downloaded, and you have to here extract this file, and you will see the res folder here, and you have to click on this folder, and you have to select all these files with minmap files, and you have to copy this. So now come back to the Android Studio, and you have to search for a folder that name is minmap. So you go to the app and resources, and you can see a folder that name is minmap. So you have to right click here. Okay, so and go to the explorer. Okay, so where is the explorer? Let me search. Yeah, this one. You have to go explore on explorer, and you have to uh, delete these files, which is starting from minmap. So you have to paste those files which you have selected. So let's move on the Android Studio and go to the manifest. You have to do one thing here. So you have to, what you have to do, mm, so guys, you have to remove this round which is writing here. So yeah, now run this project. So let's wait for a moment. So here you can see the project is ready now, and let's see the icon now. So here you can see this icon. Okay, so guys, if you have any query and suggestion, you can write down in the comment section. Till then, keep learning and keep supporting. Thanks for watching, guys.